In your Schoology math course section, you're going to complete a discussion question that says, how can you use or how can we use our knowledge of one-step problems solving in order to solve two-step problems? So how can we use our knowledge of one-step problems in order to solve two-step problems? You're going to complete this discussion question in your math course section in Schoology. Make sure that you respond using complete sentences, and you want to pretty much restate the question, what the question is saying. The question is asking, how can I use or how can we use our knowledge of one-step problems in order to solve two-step problems? And so you will say, I can use my knowledge of one-step problems to solve two-step problems. And then you just state your response, how you can do that. And you're going to again complete this in your Schoology section, Schoology math course section.